This is day 3. So walking on the bridge on the beautiful Umngot river that will take us from the East Khasi Hills to the West Jaintia Hills. So let's start the day from the very beginning. Yeah, now the time is 6:30 a.m. This is 11th of January, day 3. Last night was pretty cold. Went up to 8 degrees. And you can see there's a good amount of condensation. And these are as wet as they were when we kept them here. Leaving our campsite behind, walking towards the hamlet of Jata. It was a pretty cold night. I think also because there are multiple little valleys here where small water streams flow. So that further reduces the temperature and increases the humidity. And even for Matthew, his t-shirt, he has kept his shirt on the top so that it could dry, and the tent was quite wet, so I think we'll stop and dry things out whenever possible. At 7 a.m. we hear this loud music coming from the church. It's quite loud. And the whole plateau looks so beautiful.
I like how they make the gardens like lower, so
Yeah.
that it holds the water in the dry season,
Yeah.
so that it still grows.
So this is the cabbage family, but not sure.
Yeah, it's probably. I think it's the cabbage family. It's probably a cabbage. It's just that we're not sure if it's gonna make a ball or if it's just producing leaves. It'll take more time to see, but it's definitely a cabbage.
Hello. Hello. So this is the hamlet of Jata, and I think this is why the music. They have some celebration going on. And there's a big beautiful church. Okay, thank you.
Who do help you?
No, we use map. We eat food, village we eat food. Pork, beef, rice, very nice. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
We see that the potatoes are grown on the higher end, and in the valleys you can tell that this is a natural wetland, a marsh, and there's also like a swamp, and this is where they decided to make the space for the rice. And so in higher elevations they would divert the streams in steps so that there's always water in the rice, but here they don't have to because they're literally growing the rice in a wetland. You're using the characteristics of the wetland into your favor, and so because there's no technology here, they use nature to make it work. And what I also appreciate is that they haven't developed the whole wetland. They kept some of the wetland as natural, and so that way there should be ways of where the wetland contributes positively here. So there might be pests that want to go into the rice and create problems, but there might be the predators of the pests that grow in the wetland, and so they'll come and eat the pest.
Nice.
And so there's a good interaction between nature and culture.
The people are smart for sure.
It's like we forget these things when we find technology.
Yeah.
We find ways of doing things without considering nature. And here, they have no choice but to consider nature because nature is a partner for them.
So we've done some 6 kilometers already, and this is so nice and flat. We are up close to the hamlet of Shangan, crossing the river stream. We've done some 7 kilometers in 2.5 hours. So Umngot is a major river valley because it also sort of acts as a political boundary. Everything that you see here east of this river is all West Jaintia Hills. At 1200 meters we have a beautiful pine forest, and there's a big suspension bridge to cross over to the West Jaintia Hills. Woo! It swings a little bit, but super okay. And this is how Umngot looks like. It's a beautiful river, and there's a big pool right here. We can sit and relax. Welcome to Jaintia Hills. Yeah. So we are taking a little break, grabbing some food. You can also dry your shoes, and the water is really nice. I'm drying out everything that I have, the BB sack, the 3/4 sleeping bag, that's my t-shirt, and there are the shoes. It's a beautiful place. Little side stream. Climbing up a long 3-kilometer ridge line. It's 400 meter up. All we are doing is hiking up this ridge line, and that's Nongjirong, the famous spot. And say it's a big path. That's where we were. Those houses on the ridge, that's Jatha. So that's basically the edge of Khasi Hills, and there are these unique monolith structures all along the trail. One single piece of rock, they might have some significance. Hello. Hello. Show me thing village.
No.
Huh?
No.
We come from Jatha. Jatha. Umngot. Now Jowai.
So mean thing?
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello. Hello.
Heavy? Heavy?
That's like farm football. Oh, this is so beautiful. And see how they even use bamboos to just keep the wire up higher above from the ground. We're on the road, some 14 kilometers. Time is 12:15 p.m. 5.5 hours with some 700 meter of elevation gain and another 700 of elevation loss. We got a ride.
Where do you come from?
Canada.
Canada. So tight, yeah?
It's tight. Where are you from?
From here only.
Here in Jaintia?
Yes.
Your English is good.
A little bit only. How to speak English?
Speak English a little bit?
Little bit.
That's good. Is this your village?
Yes.
What is the name?
How do you say the name?
My name?
No,
Village name?
the village.
Something.
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 So it's like something.
Yeah.
Something. Something.
Yellow cars. These are taxi.
Yes. Tourist.
Tourist.
My Matt.
Yeah.
Iltiza. Ah. Thank you for the ride.
Yes.
We've been walking for 3 days
3 days.
from Smith.
Smith.
Yeah, he dropped us near a shop. Oh. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. 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 So finally good to have some puri. Wow man. We've been eating rice since 3 days. Which was good, no doubt, but yeah. Some variety.
Yeah, this will be very good. Yes. Spicy.
पैदल तो उधर स्मिथ से
पैदल आया. हाँ.
कितना दिन 3 दिन लगता है
3 दिन. आज तीसरा दिन है.
ये से क्या कलिंदान itu या सीनरी बनाने के लिए भी
हाँ, सीनरी भी बनाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे राइस खाता है, चावल खाता है ज़्यादा? चावल, भात.
जो इधर में जा भात का
अच्छा,
चावल को
हाँ,
जा
जैंतिया भाषा में. अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा हो गया ना, दूर से आता है.
It's like you come from so far.
इसे सुनना चाहिए ना, उधर में मतलब कहाँ जगह में मालूम होना चाहिए.
हाँ, कैसा सब लोग रहते हैं, कैसा काम करते हैं. आप कहाँ से? वेस्ट बंगाल में? वेस्ट बंगाल में कहाँ से? कौन सा शहर है सर?
जलपाईगुड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
जलपाईगुड़ी. हाँ. ये थोड़ा सा हाथ में देंगे, एक बार टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. यो हैंड. ओके. थैंक यू.
चिकन चलता है ना?
हाँ, चिकन चलता है. बाय. थैंक यू. बाय भैया. बाय. जी बिल्कुल. बाय. जी. थैंक यू. बाय. Now we can see the big city of Jawai. Pretty broad path. This place would be so heavenly during the monsoon. This is like a mini Zuku Valley. Jawai. Hello. Jawai. Khasi no. No.
One un.
No. Sorry.
Shillong.
No, Shillong. Rajasthan. Delhi.
Na Delhi.
Meghalaya first time. Walking.
Nên xuân lại Shillong mà Juai mà Zuko.
Lightroom. Smith. Walk
to chặt vậy.
Jawai.
Dajan hi.
Jawai. There.
Jan hi.
Jan hi ne Juai ni tu la tu grusi no. Dajan hi ka sini tu. Oman hu ogya me la ti dei phong ka.
Pulam gadi thare yang leti pirka de.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
The nearest to Juai.
Walk. Yeah. This one. Thank you. Bye. It's very nice. So beautiful, and pity that none of the hikers are coming here such a big playground. I think we can spend a lifetime here just hiking and walking through these landscapes. So that's the big town of Trichy, I guess. There's no name on the Survey of India map, but it's close to the waterfall. It's a big settlement. So we have to go down into the valley and then climb up. Yeah, so we have done some 9 kilometers. The first section before the road was some 14 kilometers. So done. And here we meet a friend of a friend, so we'll call it a day. Pass! Oh man, it's so tough. Out of breath. I am stuck at yes and no itself. So no is and yes is Oh, okay. Shit.
All the border of Indian of Bangla, no?
Yes,
they
yes,
all
yes.
call war.
Okay.
Chirapanji also they call war because they border.
Okay.
There's all this Umkiang, all the border, no?
Okay, so war means border? Maybe?
Yes, border of India.
Border,
Or border of
any area basically.
No, not any area. Between Bangla and
Meghalaya.
yes.
Okay, between Bangladesh and India. Okay. Yeah, so this is going to be our accommodation. This is where we sleep. And day 3 comes to an end. The place belongs to a friend of a friend. He's a student.